Respected teachers, now come over different cases of image formation by concave mirror. Concave mirror में जो है different cases बनते हैं image formation के. Now we will see that very thing. See here, it is your concave mirror. Pole is here, focus is here, center of curvature is here. It is well known fact to you all that when we place our object at infinity, then its image forms in focal plane. When we place object beyond C, then we get diminished, inverted and real image between C and F. At the time of placing object at C, जब हम लोग C पर object रखते हैं, then we get image again at C, but formed image is inverted and real, and size is same as object. Next case is when we place our object between C and F, then we get object beyond C and formed image is real, inverted but magnified. At the time of placing object at F, we get real, inverted and highly magnified image at infinity. And last case, which is entirely different, when we place our object between F and P, at that time we get virtual image, erect image and magnified image. And it is well known fact to you all that we see magnified image, we see virtual image in the mirror. So this case is entirely different from rest cases. Now we will see all these cases one by one in detail. Your first one is when object will be at infinity. When your object will be at infinity. Now see here. See this very concave mirror. It is your concave mirror. Focal length of this very concave mirror is very very small. So इसका focal length इतना ही बहुत कम, इसका बहुत ही कम होता है. तो इसके कंपैरिजन में एक दूर का ट्री जो है, that is considered as कि that is placed at infinity. Now see that very tree. That very people tree can be considered as to placed at infinity. तो अगर वह infinity पर placed है तो उसका image जो है focal plane में बनना चाहिए, focus के पास बनना चाहिए. Now we are going to get image of that very banyan tree, that very people tree over this screen. हम लोग इसको जो है आगे पीछे मूव करा करके एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन पाएंगे जो है ना. सी यस, सी दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन ऑफ द इमेज. इट मीन दैट हमने यह पढ़ा है कि अगर ऑब्जेक्ट मेरा इन्फिनिटी पर होता है तो उसका इमेज फोकल प्लेन में बनता है, फोकस के पास बनता है. इट मीन दैट नो डाउट दिस वेरी रीजन इज position of, or this very point is position of focus. It means that it is your focal plane. यह आपका focal plane है, right? It means that this very point will be focus point. Now see here, your mirror is here, means position of the mirror is here. And we know that distance between focus point and pole of the mirror is known as focal length. So this very distance will be focal length. Question is this: how we can find this very focal length? इस focal length को हम लोग कैसे पता करेंगे? Then see here, your zero is here, and your mirror is placed here, means pole is here, which is placed at 70 meters from the origin. Means this distance is 70 centimeter, and we are getting image, means focus is lying here, which is at a distance of 90 from origin. It means that it is your 90 and it is your 70. So this distance minus this distance, will be equal to this distance, which will be equal to focal length. So focal length will be equal to 90 minus 70 will be equal to 20 centimeter. See here, हमने यहाँ पर दिखा दिया. It means that if this very point is P, तो इससे 20 सेंटीमीटर पर हमको फोकस हो जाएगा. 20 सेंटीमीटर और दूर जाने पर हमको जो है सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर मिल जाएगा. ऑन दिस साइड अगेन we will move 20 सेंटीमीटर अवे फ्रॉम पोल, देन we will get focus, और फिर उससे 20 सेंटीमीटर आगे चले जाएंगे, देन we will get center of curvature. Right? It means that we can say when our object will be at infinity, then its image will form in focal plane. Formed image will be real and inverted. Right? Now come over next case. Your next case is when your object will be beyond C. जब आपका ऑब्जेक्ट C से दूर रहेगा, means this one. Then what will happen? What will be position of image? What will be its size? What will be nature of the formed image? To know that, we will consider this very candle as object. इस कैंडल के को ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे, इसके फ्लेम को ऑब्जेक्ट बनाएंगे, और इसका इमेज जो है हम लोग इस स्क्रीन पर बनाएंगे बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वेरी मिरर. राइट? दिस वेरी कैंडल एज ऑब्जेक्ट. इस कैंडल को हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह ट्रीट करेंगे. इस कैंडल का जो फ्लेम होगा वह ऑब्जेक्ट बनेगा मेरा जो है, और इसी फ्लेम का इमेज जो है हम लोग रियल वर्चुअल इमेज देखेंगे जो है. सी केस नंबर 1. केस नंबर 2, व्हेन ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी बियॉन्ड सी. जब आपका ऑब्जेक्ट जो होगा सी से दूर होगा. राइट? व्हेन योर ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी बियॉन्ड सी. राइट? नाउ हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को बियॉन्ड सी कर दिया है. अब हम लोग इसका इमेज देखेंगे, इस स्क्रीन पर ड्रॉ करेंगे कहाँ इमेज बन रहा है. See this one is the image of that very flame. अब इसका एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन लोकेट करने के लिए इसको आगे पीछे घुमाइए. वेल इल्यूमिनेटेड इमेज देखिए कहाँ बन रहा है. Now sir, here at this very situation here, large amount of light is here, means lighting is too much. That's why we are not getting clear cut image. It is your image of that very candle. See, the formed image is see the image. It is your image. We are getting well illuminated image here. Right? The formed image is inverted. And we are getting image over the screen. It means that formed image is real. Right? And now come over, when you will see its size, then see here, size of the flame is this much, means size of the object is this much, but the image which we are getting, that is a small one. It means that we can say formed image will be or is diminished. Right? Now come over second case. Your second case is when your object will be at will be at C. जब आपका ऑब्जेक्ट C पर होगा, then it is well known fact to all that its image forms at C. इसका इमेज C पर ही बनता है. बट किशन थोड़ी यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम होगी इमेज को ड्रॉ करने में, बिकॉज यह लाइट कैंडल का जो लाइट है वह इमेज को जो है विजिबल नहीं होने दे रहा है. राइट? It is not visible. Now come over next case. When your object will be between C and F, C और F के बीच में जब आपका ऑब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा तब when your object will be between C and F. Yes, your F point is here, C point is here. Now we have placed our object between C and F, right? हमने अपने ऑब्जेक्ट को C और F के बीच में रख दिया है, right? Now we will try to get its image. हम लोग उस पोजीशन पर लेके जाएंगे जहां पर कि इसका वेल इल्यूमिनेटेड इमेज दिखाई पड़े. Yes, your object is placed between F and C. As your object is placed between F and C, so its image will form or should form beyond C. C से आगे बनना चाहिए, right? अब हम लोग इसका इमेज देखेंगे जो है कहाँ बनेगा जो है. Yeah, C. It is your image. It is your image. We are getting image. Yes, we are getting image. This one, see. This is the inverted image of this very object, means this very flame. It means that we can say, in case when our object will be between F and C, then we get inverted, real and magnified image of the object. See here, your flame is of this size, but the image which we are getting, that is of this size. It means that in this very case, the image which we get, that is magnified one, right? Now come over next case. Third case was at C. Fourth case was between C and F. And fifth case, when your object will be at F. When your object will be at F, जब आपका ऑब्जेक्ट F पर होगा, then its image will form at infinity. इसका इमेज infinity पर बनेगा, means very far away from your candle, very far away from your mirror. So we can't obtain its image on this very screen. I am leaving that very case. Now come over last case. Your last case is when your object will be between F and P. जब आपका ऑब्जेक्ट F और P के बीच में रहेगा, जब आपका ऑब्जेक्ट F और P के बीच में रहेगा, here P is your here, F point is here. Now we are going to place our object between F and P. We have put our object between F and C. इसका इमेज कैसा बनना चाहिए? हमने यह पढ़ा है कि जब हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट को F और C के बीच, P और F के बीच में रखते हैं, तो उसका इमेज जो बनता है, that is वह जो बनता है इमेज, और सभी रेस्ट केसेस से इंटायरली डिफरेंट होता है. सभी केसेस में रियल इमेज बनते हैं, बट इन दिस वेरी केस वी गेट वर्चुअल इमेज. सभी केसेस में इन्वर्टेड इमेज बनते हैं, बट इन दिस वेरी केस वी गेट इरेक्ट इमेज. एंड वी नो दैट वी सी erect images, means virtual images, in the mirror. So its image will form in the mirror, which we will see from this side. See here, in the mirror we are getting highly magnified image, and formed image is erect one. Your candle is in this way and your flame is also in this way, means flame is in this way and image is also in this way, means erect one. We know that all erect images are virtual. It means that formed image is virtual. And one more thing, we are observing image in the screen. It means that formed image is virtual and its size is bigger than object.